There you go. His favorite subject is science. What about for number two? Give me number two. Number okay, number three. What about number three? Okay, it's math. And now what about for number four, Dylan? In number four, we have, oh, you have Spider-Man. Is that Spider-Man? Hi, Meng.
Hello, teacher.
Why is it so dark? Where are you? Where are you? Oh, okay.
And who?
Are you going home?
I'm in the car.
Yes, I see. Where are you going, Meg?
I'm, I'm going to swimming.
Oh, okay. Wow, that sounds fun. Okay, so
Swimming too. Hmm.
cool. So now let us proceed to our class directly so you can enjoy swimming later. Okay, so we'll now have this one. The things to do. Okay, so can you tell me what is he doing, Meng?
Read.
Okay,
Đây là đáp
yes,
án đang học.
he is reading. What about her?
Reading. Writing.
Yes, he is writing. What about the boy? What is he doing?
Draw.
Okay, he is drawing. You can answer in a complete sentence, Meng. You can say he is drawing. What about the girl?
Sing.
Okay, he is
That's
talking. Okay, he is talking. What about the boy? What is he doing? He is
Sing.
okay. Can you say he is singing?
Good.
He is singing, Meng. Okay, now what about the girl? What is he doing?
Dancing.
Okay, yeah, she is dancing. Very good. So now we'll have this one directly. Okay, what are you doing or what's he or she doing? I'm reading or he's or she's reading. Now let us have the first one. What are you doing?
Về đến nhà rồi.
What are you doing?
Read.
Can you, what
I'm
are you going
reading.
to use? Yes, I'm reading. What's he doing?
He writing.
Okay, very good. What's she doing?
She draw.
Okay, drawing. He's drawing.
Draw.
After is,
Draw.
Meng, after is, or and we will add ing. Okay, she is drawing. What are you doing?
Um, I'm
Talking. Talking, Meng. I
talking.
am talking.
I am talking.
Okay, what are you doing?
She is singing.
Okay, I'm singing. What is he doing? What's
She
he
dancing.
doing? Okay, yes, he is dancing. Very good. Now let us have this one. Same set of questions. Meng, what are you doing? What's he or she doing? Okay, can you tell me what's he doing? What's he
Um,
doing?
he is
He is?
she is me. Uh,
What is
um,
he doing? He is?
what are you doing? I'm reading.
Oh, okay, if that is the question, Meg. Now let us have this one. What is he doing? What is he doing?
She
He? What is he doing? He is
is talk.
talking. Can you say she is talking? Remember, Meng, after is, are, and we will add ing. Okay, so it's not she is talking. Okay, can you tell me again what is she doing? What is she doing, Meng?
He doing a talk.
No, not she's doing a talk. He is
Ah,
talking.
he is writing.
Okay, he is writing. Okay, now what are you doing?
He is
What
dancing.
what are
Ah,
you doing?
I'm dancing.
Okay, what he doing? What he
What?
doing?
Um, he's singing.
Okay, and what is he doing?
See the right.
Okay, yes, he is a drawing. Thank you so much. So now we'll now have this one. Okay, can you tell me, Meng, what is he doing?
White.
he writing, Meng?
Right.
Okay, yes, he is drawing. What about them? What are they doing? What are they doing?
Talk.
Okay, yes, they're talking. What is he doing?
Uh, white.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yes, right. What's he doing? What's he doing, Meng?
Dancing. I read.
Dancing? Okay, yes, reading. What's he doing?
Dancing.
Okay, and the last one, he is.
Mẹ bắt đầu đi.
What is he doing, Meng? He is.
Sing.
Okay, yes, he is singing. Now let us have the puzzle. Okay, now let us start with the first one. What is he doing? What is he doing?
He dancing.
Okay, then what about for two?
He draw.
Okay, drawing. Okay, three. What about for three?
Uh,
What's he doing? What is he doing, man?
uh, ah, he dancing.
Okay, he is not dancing, man. He is singing. Okay, now next one, four. What is he doing? What is he doing, man? Look at the picture, man. Can you tell me what is he doing here?
He talk.
Okay, yes, it talk. Now, what about for five? What is he doing? Yes, man. What is he doing?
Watching.
What is he doing? No. Look at her. Look at the girl,
What?
man. What is he doing? He is?
Reading.
Okay, he is reading. And the last one, what's he doing? What is he doing?
Rowing.
Okay. He is not drawing, Meng. We're done with a drawing. So it is right.
Right.
Okay. Yes. Right. He is writing. Now, let us proceed to the next one. Okay, can you connect it?
He's singing.
Okay. Is he singing, Meg?
He
Look at
dancing.
him. Okay, he is dancing. What about for the second box?
He is dancing.
Okay, is
He
it he is
dry.
dancing? He
He
isn't singing.
dry.
Okay, he is dancing. He isn't singing,
He
Meg.
isn't. He isn't writing.
Okay, what? Okay, I'm not his, Meg. We can see a girl here. Okay, so pronoun he is only applicable for boys, right? So I'm drawing. I'm not writing. Okay, what about for three?
I'm reading.
Okay,
I'm not reading.
I'm reading, Ming. I'm
I'm
reading.
not talking. I'm not
Okay,
talking.
yes, very good. I'm not talking because we can see here that he's holding the book. Okay, so now let us proceed in here. Okay, what are you doing? Look at the girl. What are you doing?
I'm doing dancing.
Okay, I'm dancing. Okay, very good. Now what about for two?
What he doing?
What's doing? What's he doing? He
He singing.
okay, yes, he's singing. Very good. And last one, Meg. Three. Can you complete the question and as well as the answer?
Uh, what's he doing?
Mm-hmm. What's he doing?
He right.
He's he's not writing, Meg.
He the right.
Okay, yes, he is drawing. Very good. So now let us proceed to the grammar animations of Unit 5, Lesson 1. Okay, for a moment, let me prepare it a bit. Okay, now can you tell me what's he doing, Meg?
He right. The right.
Okay, he is drawing. What's he doing?
He dancing.
Okay, very good. He's dancing. What's he doing?
He talking.
What
He
is it?
reading.
Okay, he's reading. That is right. Okay, next one. What is he doing?
She's singing.
Okay, he is singing. What about her?
She writing.
Okay, is she
Talking.
writing? Okay, yeah, she is talking. Okay, now, can you fill in the gaps, Meg? Can you fill in the gap?
The right.
Okay, I'm drawing.
I'm not talking.
Okay, very good. Now, what about for the next one?
I'm reading.
Okay, that's right.
I'm
I'm
not.
reading.
I'm not right.
Okay, yes, very good. Next one now. What about in here?
I'm. I'm dancing.
Okay, I'm dancing. Are you sure? Is the boy dancing?
I'm singing.
Okay, yes, I'm singing. I'm not.
Not. I'm not reading.
Is it reading, Meg?
I'm not writing.
Okay, I'm not writing. See, he is holding a pencil. Okay, now what is she doing?
She reading.
Okay, yes, very good. She's reading. What's she doing?
She talking.
Okay, yes, she's talking. What's he doing?
She dancing. He
Mm-hmm.
dancing.
Okay, yes, he's dancing. What's he doing?
He writing.
Okay, very good. Now let us listen and complete the dialogue, Meg.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Uy.
What are you doing?
I'm dancing.
Okay, yes, I'm
I'm dancing.
dancing.
What's he doing?
What's he doing?
I'm reading.
No, not I'm. What's he doing?
I'm
He's
writing.
He's writing.
okay, he is writing.
What's he doing?
He writing.
Is he writing, Meg?
He singing.
Okay, he's
He's
singing.
singing. What's she doing?
She talking.
Okay, very good. That's
She's
correct.
talking. What's she doing?
What's she doing, Meg?
She right.
Okay, she's
She's drawing.
drawing. Okay, that is it. Thank you so much. Now we'll proceed to your book again, and we'll now have the actions. Okay, so now can you tell me what is she doing?
Eat, drink, sleep, play.
Okay, yes. What are you doing now, Meg?
Eat,
Are you
drink.
eating? You, what are you doing now? You
I'm eat.
are? No, you are not eating. You are you are learning. Okay, you
Hello.
are learning with me. Okay, you are not eating, you're not drinking. You're not sleeping and you are not playing. You are learning. Okay, so now I believe that's all that for our class today, Meg. So next meeting will continue the rest. Goodbye, Meg.
Bye,
Goodbye,
Tito.
Meg.